things you've been taught, you've been told.
Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this braided wig. This is how it looks. It's color 350 at the bottom. If you want any other color, just let me know. But I have it in color 230, plain black, blonde. I also have it in burgundy or 900. Yeah, so this is how it looks. And then for this hair at the bottom, you can apply just some oil to prevent it from tangling. Just take a generous amount and apply on this hair at the bottom, and then just finger comb like that to prevent this hair at the bottom from tangling. You can use this oil right here. It's heat resistant. You can use Baby Love just to prevent this hair from tangling. So guys, if you love this style, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below for my website and my WhatsApp number. This is color 350 at the bottom, black and 350, and this is black and 900.
Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet.